You're tired but wired. You can't sleep. You're stressed, foggy, and maybe even dealing with muscle cramps, mood swings, or anxiety. And no matter how healthy you eat, it just won't go away. There's a good chance you're missing this one mineral, and fixing it could finally reset your brain, body, and energy. Welcome back to Healscape BDS, where we help you uncover what your body's missing and how to get back to balance naturally. Today we're talking about the most overlooked mineral in modern diets, one that affects stress, hormones, muscle function, blood sugar, and sleep. That mineral? Magnesium. Let's explore what it does, how to know if you're low, and the smartest way to get more of it. 1. Why magnesium is so important. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including regulating cortisol, stress hormone, supporting serotonin and dopamine, mood plus motivation, muscle recovery and tension release, blood sugar and insulin sensitivity, sleep quality through melatonin production. No magnesium equals no calm, no energy, no focus. 2. Why almost everyone is deficient. Modern life depletes magnesium fast. Chronic stress, high sugar and caffeine intake, alcohol, overtraining, poor sleep, acid blockers and medications. Even worse, industrial farming has stripped soil of magnesium, so even healthy foods often don't provide enough. Studies suggest up to 70% of adults are magnesium deficient without knowing it. 3. Signs you're low on magnesium. Trouble falling or staying asleep. Anxiety, irritability, or racing thoughts. Headaches or migraines. Muscle cramps or tightness. Chronic fatigue or burnout. Constipation. Sugar cravings. Irregular heartbeat or palpitations. If you nodded at 2 or more of these, magnesium might be your missing link. 4. What magnesium does for stress, sleep, and energy. For stress, magnesium calms your nervous system and lowers cortisol, helps prevent burnout and emotional reactivity. For sleep, supports production of melatonin, relaxes muscles and mind for deeper sleep. For energy, converts food into ATP, cellular energy, prevents wired but tired fatigue patterns. 5. How to get more magnesium naturally. Magnesium-rich foods. Leafy greens, spinach, chard, pumpkin seeds, avocados, almonds, dark chocolate, 80% plus, black beans, salmon butt. Food alone often isn't enough if you're stressed or already low. 6. Supplementing smartly. Best forms. Magnesium glycinate for sleep, anxiety, mood. Magnesium citrate for digestion, constipation. Magnesium malate for energy, muscle pain. Magnesium threonate crosses the blood-brain barrier for focus memory. Start low, 100-200 mg, and increase slowly. Too much, too fast equals bathroom emergencies. Take it at night to enhance sleep and recovery. If you've been feeling tired, tense, or mentally scattered, don't ignore it. Magnesium deficiency could be the missing piece. Fix it and you may sleep better, think clearer, and feel less stressed within just days. Comment below. Have you ever tried magnesium? What symptoms are you hoping to solve? Like this video if you're ready to feel like yourself again. Subscribe to Healscape BDS for more wellness rooted in real science and simple fixes.